Ooh. Hey all, so today I will be reviewing Rizos Curls, which is a curly hair brand that has been growing on Instagram. The entire brand is sulfate-free, silicone-free, and paraben-free. So it is 100% curly hair approved. So first I will be using the Hydrating Shampoo. This contains moringa oil, glycerin, panthenol, and shea butter. This shampoo is very thin and very watery. I would compare it to coconut milk. This whole line has a very yummy, light, fruity perfume smell, and it's so good. I found that this hydrating shampoo very much resembled a co-wash. It was very gentle and did not strip my hair of any oils at all. So I highly recommend this shampoo to anyone who wants to preserve as much moisture as possible, or if you have very thick, dry hair. For a deeper clean, I'm going to use my shampoo brush. Off to rinse. Just to show you how moisturizing this shampoo is, look how it works out my tangles. Next is the conditioner. This can be doubled as a rinse out conditioner or a deep conditioner. It contains olive oil, sunflower oil, coconut oil, and shea butter. This conditioner is actually pretty thick. It's like a thick buttery lotion. Although most of my tangles are gone from the shampoo, I can tell that this conditioner has really great slip. It's very rich and very creamy. So far, I'm getting the impression that this line is great for hair that is thick and dry. I'm going to put my hair in a bun, deep condition for 5 minutes, and then rinse. Look how my tangles are just melting. So I rinsed out the conditioner and now it is time to style. This is the Curl Defining Cream. It contains aloe vera, shea butter, coconut oil, panthenol, and beeswax. I'm going to use a small palmful and I'm going to finger comb it through my hair. I'm going to smooth it over. And then I'm going to scrunch. I'm going to scrunch again with a microfiber towel. I'm going to plop for about 10 minutes, air dry, and show you the results. So here are the final results. And I'm honestly I'm gagging, you all. It gave definition to the inside of my hair, if that makes sense. I feel like a lot of products give definition to the outside only. And the ends, look at the ends, how whirly and twirly and curly. So I want to go through some pros and cons. I feel like a huge pro is that the entire brand is 100% curly hair approved. No sulfates, no silicones, no parabens at all in any of the products. And I like that they also contain natural extracts. The styling cream, I think it did a really good job of really getting into my hair and giving moisture to every strand. But my hair is really soft and loses its shape after a few days. So I definitely wish I could have used a gel or a custard on top just to give me that hold, because I feel like this is more for moisture. So if you're looking for a good hold, use your favorite gel or favorite custard on top of it. All in all, these products are very, very rich, very, very creamy, and I think it's excellent for anyone out there with thick, dry hair. Let me know down below what you think of my wash day results. Have you heard of Rizos Curls? Have you tried Rizos Curls? Are you thinking of trying them now? Comment, like, and subscribe if you like what I'm doing here, and comment down below any other brands you would like me to review. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye!